Mike Coe, your thoughts on this Nike turnaround? Enough from the quarter to believe that it is intact?
I think these are all positives. I would say this, it's still, the valuation's a little hard for me to get around. I would like to see something better than 1% year-on-year growth to make this one look competitive when you consider that it's trading, 30 times 2027 numbers right now, and certainly it's not a grower on the top line yet. So there is room for margin expansion. I mean, 7% versus, I think, 13% is what they achieved at their peak. I don't think we're going to go back to that. But if you got back to, say, 9 and get like a 3-4% top line growth, then you start to justify the current price. But we're not there yet.
I mean, I think that's an interesting way of putting it, like taking the revenue growth 1% and thinking about how much it trades at, which is the equivalent of some Mag 7 names, Karen, in your portfolio.
Yes, I know. And actually, what I'm thinking about this earnings release is this was a bad risk reward for me to be long going into this earnings today. If this is what they released, which was fine and good enough, right? But many of the other outcomes could have been not so good. And if this was okay, they're making progress, you would hope that the stock, which has really gotten crushed, would have more of a bounce than this.
Right.
Last quarter, June 26th, I think that's right, I thought was an unmitigated disaster. I think the stock was trading about 64.5. We talked about it. Conference call came out. Within a week, the stock was trading 75 to 80. Tim Seymour talked about it, and he called it that day. This quarter is better than last quarter, in my opinion, just looking at a swath of metrics. Karen mentioned the inventory down a couple percent. Maybe not exactly what the street is looking for, but that should clear things out for margins to improve. 1%, yeah, not great, but I'm surprised it's not higher on the back of this, quite frankly. We said last night you can't be short in this number. I'll stand by that. The stock should go higher from here.
All right.